first thing I remember, getting into the pier. Once you get the mainland, there's a boat waiting for you on high tide. And then after 7 minutes, you are on an island. Then there's the 2 tasks and the signboard of Chale Island. It was a good experience. Clients wote wenye kuja, they usually book through, you can either book through online, we have our site. Once you go in our website, you're able to see the options. We have standard rooms, we have bandas. The bandas are categorized into 2. We have lagoon bandas and beach bandas. We have also 2 penthouses. These are 1 of a water suite and 1 suite on the rock. And then just click your preferred option. You get payment options through our Pesapal, and then the booking is, we receive the booking now, booking confirmation. We have so many activities. There are water sports activities, the scuba dive, snorkeling, kayaking, mangroves.
Kuna windsurfing, boogie board, wave surfing, skimboard.
Initially, we didn't have Pesapal, but when it was introduced, we've seen some improvement on that. Especially a client calls when they want to pay, we send them a link, and then they're able to pay in a minute. So for us, it has been a good experience.